Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Minecraft vanilla server. Okay, sorry, the first thing I need to do is just go on my normal server and type /stop. Okay, I'm starting the server. Right, now the first thing we are going to do is, go to this little thing here, it'll be in the description, minecraft.net/downloads. Now, you scroll, it should come up this page. You scroll down to multiplayer server, and depends if you're running Windows, you will want to download this one. If you're running on Mac or Linux, then you want to download this one. Now there is a wiki page here. It will give you more help if you are struggling or if you don't understand this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click Minecraft server.exe. Since I'm Windows, I'll download the Windows one. As you see here, it brings it up, Minecraft server.exe. Now since I'm using Google Chrome, it'll show down there. Now what you do is you're gonna go onto your desktop, right click, go to new folder. Okay, as you can see here, this is the new folder. What we're going to do is rename it to Minecraft Vanilla Test 2. But you guys can really just rename it to anything you want, you know, just boobs or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click show in folder. This is the download, by the way. As you see, it shows up Minecraft server. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it all the way from my desktop to that folder that I just made, Minecraft Vanilla Test 2. As you see, it'll show up here. Now what you do is you double click run. It opens. As you see, blah blah blah, it worked. Okay, it should be preparing spawn. And as that done that, it should generate all these files. If they're missing, then you should probably redo it or re-download and delete. So a couple things you can do with this server. If you open up this here server, it's a properties file. This is the server properties. Now what you can do is you can change like the MOTD, which is the name that will show up for people. If I'm going to change it to test server, or if I wanted to generate structures like dungeons, I can change it to true. If I don't want it to spawn monsters, I can change it to false. You know, difficulty is 1, which is on easy by default. If I want hard, I'll change it to 3. I can change the max players. I can change PvP players. Say if I don't want any violence on my server, I just get false online mode. Spawn animals, whitelist, spawn NPC, server IP, blah 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 blah, server port. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go off this, click save. Yep. Now the second part of this tutorial is how to port forward. Now first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this little thing, click on, you know, the Windows icon, click do CMD, just enter CMD and press enter. As you can see here, it shows up the command prompt. Now this is the command prompt. It's pretty much you can run anything from here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna type in ipconfig, ipconfig, click enter. Now it should come here. If you go up a little, it should say IPv4 address, not IPv6 address, IPv4. Now mine is 192.168 blah 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 blah. Now it ends in 2. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, since my router is Belkin, it'll be different for everybody else. It'll be different for, you know, everyone who's watching this, because you probably don't have a Belkin router. So basically IPv4 address 192.1 blah blah blah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna open up your internet browser of choice. You're gonna enter that into the, you know, your little bar thing. What you're gonna do is, since mine ends in .2.2, instead of doing .2.2, I'm gonna do .2.1. So replace the last number with a 1. Press enter. It should bring up your setup. This is my Belkin router wireless setup. Now it's different for everybody else, pretty much. I heard there is a lot of different ones. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to firewall, virtual servers. Now click on virtual servers. It should ask you for a password. I don't really have a password very much. I do, but I just disabled it for this commentary. So what happens is, it says here, virtual servers. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just pretend all this is blank, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click enable and make something, and make Minecraft server called enter Minecraft, right? And then if it asks you for your inbound, if it asks you for your inbound port, you're going to answer 25565. Yes, 25565, and do this for both if it shows up both, but usually it only shows up one. Now it should say type, change it to TCP. Yes, private IP address will be the actual IP address from here. Do not make sure that it doesn't have the 1 at the end, instead has the proper number, so it's just this, completely this. And you're just going to enter the last number, the real last number. Now private port will be 25565. Now just do that for both, blah blah. Yeah, alright. Now second of all, you're going to click enable like that. Minecraft 2, but the description is Minecraft 2. Inbound port will be the same, so will private IP address, so will private port. The only difference is change the type to UDP, and the first one is TCP. Okay, and name this Minecraft 2, name the first one Minecraft. Okay, now you're gonna click apply changes. Now as you see, it will take a couple of seconds. Now you don't need this anymore, so just close it down. Just close it down. So what you do is you go to the little vanilla server thing here, right? And you double click that and it should open this again. And now you're gonna open Minecraft, go to multiplayer, enter your little IP. Just go to click add server, enter your little IP. Mine is 192.168.2.2 dot the colon thing 25565. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna join it. Now as you see, it generates a new world and it works. So there is lots more stuff that you can do with the servers, and I'll make a video on that, so I will. By the way, sorry if this is a little laggy because I'm recording with Active Cam or something, so it'll look a bit laggy. But alright, so basically that is how you set up a basic vanilla server. I will get more into how to make up a bucket server very easily. I will also tell you how to make the best of your configuration, how to make it lag less, and some tips on just basically running a server, what you can do to make that server better. Okay, so thanks guys, and subscribe.